Good afternoon. Now today we are going to make two recipes, that is lasagna, and we are going to make wraps. Okay, so very fast we are going to make it lasagna first. Now you can see here in this lasagna, the first step we are going to do, we are going to make it. We are going to add capsicum, corn, we need to saute it in an oil. Now after then, this is a tomato puree. We are going to add tomato puree in this. This is the first part of the recipe. We are going to add tomato puree. Now in this tomato puree, then we will be adding tomato sauce, pepper, and salt. And at last we are going to add ajwain from top. Now we have made the Italian sauce. Now we are making white sauce. Now for the white sauce we have taken 1 tablespoon of butter. In that one tablespoon of maida, which we are going to roast it till golden brown. And in this we are going to add a glass of milk, and in this salt, pepper, and some cheese. Now it is the time to arrange everything together. Now this is the lasagna sheets, which is homemade. Okay, so now what we are going to do, the first thing is that we are going to put the Italian sauce on top. We are going to put the lasagna sheets, and on top of the lasagna sheets we are going to put the white sauce. And if you like cheese, you can put some cheese in between. Now like this we are going to give a second layer, of sheet, and a second layer of white sauce. And after this, on top we are going to put cheese and then put it for baking. Now you all know that the cheese can be melted in the oven, but if you don't have the oven, then you can put it in the pan. It is a preheated pan, and this is the oven proof bowl which you can put it over here, and this is the homemade therapy to melt the cheese. Okay, Okay, now we have completed our first item, lasagna, and now it is the second item, The second item is our wraps. Now in this wraps, what I have done, I have taken the butter, I have melted the butter. Now once the butter starts melting, this is the mixed vegetables, beans, carrot and capsicum, which I am going to mix it. After that, I am mixing some corn. Because we really love the taste of corn, so it is the corn over here. Now after mixing the corn, we'll be mixing some pepper, we'll be mixing salt, while frying vegetables I have already added some salt and pepper. Now after this, some chili flakes and oregano. And we are going to, so this is our stuffing is ready. You see, this is our tortilla sheets. Now in this tortilla sheets, what we are going to do, we are going to place a stuffing over here. So you can see we have placed the stuffings in the tortilla sheets. Now we are placing the cheese and we are going to seal the corners. Okay, and after this is done, what we are going to do, this is a preheated tawa where we are going to place this. Now you see our wraps are ready. Now we are going to cut our wraps. So as a lasagna and vegetable wrap is ready. Thank you Febina for giving us the opportunity to do some cooking, innovative cooking. Thank you so much.
We have it later.